Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter in the Man Cave Studios, and like I promised in my other video that I will get this Traditions Kentucky rifle out to you and show you how it came out. If you saw my previous video, you saw where I did the Kentucky pistol, and I explained in my other videos about the stock. When I got it on the Kentucky rifle, it was cracked, and so was the trigger guard. But I contacted the Traditions. Their customer service is number one. As soon as they received a receipt, a copy of it, it was 3 days, I do believe, max, that the stock arrived at my front door with the trigger guard, no problems. So I'm telling you, the customer service is number one. I don't get anything from them. I'm just giving them a shout out. So if you're looking for a black powder rifle, I suggest Traditions. Fit and finish is really good. You have to do some adjustments, of course, not perfect, but customer service number one. It come out really nice. The owner hasn't seen the rifle, but he's seen the pistol, and he was very pleased. The wood here kind of looks like Damascus pattern if you look at your knives. It's got that nice pattern in it, like a Damascus. It's on both sides, just like that. It's very, very pretty. It come out really good. And it has that patina look on the rust look on the barrel. I contacted Traditions, and they said that's usually how they come out and would be period correct for the time. So I can't wait till he sees it. He loved the pistol, so I'm sure he'll love the rifle. It was a joy putting it together and bringing it to you guys. I enjoy doing this, as you know. This is my hobby. And I just want to let you guys know, next is the blunderbuss. That's what I'll be working on next. There's the barrel. And everything's with it. The only fault I have with the Traditions is the instructions, and I'm not, lambasting them or anything like that. But the instructions, if you're new to doing this, it might be a little tricky for you to do it. But if you take your time and understand the process, it will go through no problem. And if not, just go to YouTube. There'll be some guys that will have videos on how they did theirs. But I'm going to start working on this when it gets a little cooler. Here in South Carolina right now, I'm in the Man Cave studio, and I don't have any air conditioning in here. As you see, the little fan, and I've got a rigged up fan up here. And I have one, you can't see it, but it's an exhaust fan, and it blows out exhaust there. And I come around here, and I open up the doors to bring the crossbreeze in, but it gets really toasty in here. But I'll probably work on this later in the evening. I don't like to do the wood, finishing up the wood in the evening time because of the humidity. I don't like to do that. Another thing, folks, if you get one of these, either one of these, please do not grab that barrel with your hands. Please don't do it, because you got salt on your hands. And with both of these, being that first time I've ever done it, I grabbed the barrel. And when I came back out to the man cave, I had fingerprints on it. It leaves a little mark, and you have to do a little extra work to get it off. So my recommendation to everybody is please wear gloves, your proper equipment, gear. If you're doing like the wood, getting rid of the dust, you don't want to breathe in that stuff. But wear gloves if you're going to handle the barrel, because it will leave little fingerprints. So wear gloves with that. Other than that, that's about it, folks. I enjoyed this, and I love bringing it to you. Well, keep checking out my channel for updates on this and see the progress. So until next time, please, folks, give me that thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Please share with friends. I sure would appreciate it. And as always, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six, folks. It's really bad out there. And I stand with the people of Ukraine. And hopefully this war will stop and we can have peace. Until next time, God bless.